Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website Kayorama. And I'm on a homepage. I really like the sliding images, and they show very high quality images, show quality photos that are related to your niche, and you are linking to relevant products, which is great. So it looks very professional, which is good. There's no logo. There is logo. Okay. So there is logo, free shipping. For some reason, jumps down. Free shipping on orders over $50. I'm not sure why it jumps down. I would definitely look into fixing this because for some reason, every time the image slides, as you can see, the logo and header area disappear, which can definitely affect your conversion rate and user experience. So make sure to fix it. I'm not sure what's going on, but there sure is a problem with the coding of the header area. Okay, so you've got introduction to your brand. It is a little bit generic because almost every website, every business these days has got the same single claim that you are selling high quality items at low prices. So think about what really sets you apart from other competitors because this is quite competitive niche. So think what can you offer that your competitors don't offer. This would be called your unique selling proposition, something that people would be likely to buy from you. The reason why people would want to buy from you, not from other stores. So once you find, definitely do inform about it in your store as well. IPLA is a hair removal device. The device of very SEO friendly title, which is good. You've got color swatches as well. You've got buy now add to cart as well. So few featured products. They look very professional, which is great. Yeah, the homepage looks great. The homepage looks very clean and professional. That's what I would expect. I would fix the header area and the unique selling proposition so far. Now let's see the other elements of the website. So as you can see, the header is fixed on other pages. So obviously, the sliding images cause this issue. Your contact us page looks great. Refund policy. Mm, okay. It is customized to your need, which is fantastic, which is great. Make sure to specify how people contact you. Um, where do they send the items back? And obviously have the contact details here, have the contact instructions, because people would be expecting to see to find the return address on this page, to find your contact details and the clear instructions on how to initiate the return request. Catalog, I'll see the collection page and product page. So collection page looks very good, very professional. I mean, this was collections list. I would remove this. This image is unnecessary, doesn't really add anything in terms of conversion rate because it pushes the website content, the most important content on the collection page, which is products. It pushes this out of the view. So I would start the collection page just by showing the beauty tools, the title, sort by, and then show these products as soon as people land on this page. It's much, much better for the conversion rate. Okay, 4-in-1 travel dispenser, very clear product images, video how to use it, which is fantastic. Unique product descriptions, I really like that. Yeah, very user friendly and very optimized to conversion, which is perfect. Shipping policy. Shipping costs are calculated at the checkout. I'm not a great fan of expecting people to go to the checkout to find out your shipping costs because you are offering free shipping on orders over $50, but people might expect to see how much are they likely to pay on smaller orders. So having clear table with your delivery rates is much more likely to to make people feel confident shopping with you because not many people want to share their personal details, go to the checkout, share their name, address, and so on, and then just to find the shipping cost. This is not very user friendly. So having this information easy to find is better for the conversion rate. So I do recommend adding it everything clearly marked on the shipping policy so people can see that you're charging like $3 to ship to within USA and let's say $12 to ship worldwide, or whether you ship worldwide or whether you ship only to USA. Everything mm, this is something that people really expect to establish this info before going ahead with the order. I would add professional email address instead of Gmail. This is a great way to build your trust and authority. I would also add about us page. People are also looking for this information to see who is behind the brand. So add info about yourself, about your team, how long you've been in this niche, what inspired you to start a business in the beauty niche, what kind of recognition, authority you've got in this niche to recommend products you pick for your store. This all matters for your customers and will help you improve your conversion rate further. Your social media links open in the same tab, which means if someone clicks on Facebook or Instagram link, um, they your website disappears from their browser. So make sure to open these links in new tabs so they don't close your website as soon as they land on Facebook or Instagram, because you will lose a lot of traffic and potential sales if you continue doing it. So I don't recommend opening the social media links or any external links in the same tabs. Your SEO score is 50 out of 100, so definitely room for improvement. Your homepage Google snippet needs more optimization. You mention your brand name twice, so this is unnecessary. You can just mention your unique selling proposition, such as let's say if you're selling organic products, a little bit more unique, as I mentioned, to help you stand out from competition. Make sure to make a good use of the whole characters allowance, because you've got 165 characters allowance for your meta description. So write longer description, add call to action at the end, such as shop now, buy now, and so on, because this is the listing displayed in the Google search results. So this is a great way to get organic traffic from Google. I would work on the content quality to rank for your most valued keyword. At the moment, you rank for those very generic keywords, which doesn't help you get placed in any relevant search results, which means Google doesn't really know where to place your website in which search results. You've got a few broken links, so I do recommend fixing those as well, as they can affect sales. They can definitely affect SEO as well. I hope you like this critique, and if you would like to learn how to fix the issues mentioned in this video, such as fix the header area, fix your conversion rate, and add more trust signals, please book a free chat. The link is in the email. And if you like the tips received, please leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile, and the details are also in the email. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.